Hello, Chef here. Fresh pineapple, making a real quick pineapple relish. It's like basically the perfect thing for pork or chicken. Just cut your pineapple into pieces like this. Make it into a dice. Okay. There we go. Diced pineapple, looking good. Okay, move it aside and move on to some other fruits. I've got some fresh strawberries here, and we're going to put a few of these strawberries, and whatever other fruits you have works fine. Same deal. You can dice them if you want to. You can cut them more randomly. It's completely up to you. It tastes good. The last fruit I'm putting in my fresh fruit relish is a little bit of cantaloupe melon. Now, it's very simple. Take the fruit relish, put it in your mixing bowl, and once you get it in the bowl, I've got some jalapenos that have been soaking right here. You give a little mix. Fresh fruit relish, perfect for chicken, pork, whatever else you like. Some people put sugar. You know, you can put a touch of sugar if you like it sweeter. That's fine. We worked on this earlier. We've got the fresh fruit relish. Pairs perfectly with the pork. Okay. So that's it. I hope you like my presentation, and this is pretty much done. I like to add garnishes to food, so I'm going to take this strawberry and put it on here as well. Here, check that baby out. Wicked, sick, and cool all at once. VG10 Super Steel.